Wash them like once every month, but when they did, so Anthony, look at this. I can't believe it. This right here, this is the reason that this place got shut down. I mean, supposedly the police found out that they were hanging some of their patients and they closed it down because of that. Alright, well, there's nothing else to see out here, so we're gonna head to the car now. And we're gonna see, we're gonna get our flashlights, we're gonna head inside. See you guys then. Alright, this is the mental institution, and we're gonna go inside now. Let's go. Each of these rooms had a different patient inside. Right here. Alright, so this is room number 30. I'm gonna open it.
Go in.
Go in. Doesn't look too bad. Has it for swimming pool?
Just storage.
For who knows who.
Why is it all of them?
Alright. Sorry. See handprints right here on the door?
These are scratches.
Oh yeah.
And shout out to Eduardo. This is room 27.
Hey, don't move that door though. Hey, open the door.
No. No.
Why not?
Don't.
Alright.
If you could hear me, make a noise.
Our goal is to make it all the way to the end and touch the wall and come back. Here, you can see that there's someone punched the wall. Here are the showers.
Well, this is what they drink.
The men's room. This is the men's room. What's in here? That's as far as we can go. You gotta stop. Let's go.
You know why it's staying?
How come it doesn't catch you?
Wait, I think it's. There you go.
Oh no, the alarm's on. Alright, let's get out of here.
Alright.
You okay? Yeah, I think so. Well, I think that's the paranormal stuff for today. I'm gonna go home now and change my underwear.